Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit fiat money into Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to deposit fiat money into your Poloniex account. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device. If prompted, log into your account. Now on the home screen, tap the wallet icon typically found in the main navigation bar at the bottom of this screen. Once you click on that, it takes you over to this window where you have the deposit/buy button. Now click on deposit/buy and it takes you over here where you have deposit, P2P, and buy crypto. Now select buy crypto and it takes you over here to this window where you can now buy, you sell your cryptocurrency to receive fiat currency. Okay, so now you have buy crypto and you have sell crypto. Switch to the sell crypto tab and it takes you here. So enter the amount of USD. How much of USD do you want to pay? Okay, so and that's USDT rather. So enter the amount of USDT that you want. And after entering that, then head over to the receive tab and select the fiat currency that you want your money in. Now, okay, let's check if we can get it for Naira. So we cannot actually get it for Naira. So what we have actually here, what we have are euros and USD. So let's say if you verify account, let's say if you verify your account, then you should have more options. But if you don't have more options, then this is just what it is limited to. So you have euros and you have USD. So enter, let's say I want to pay 1000 USDT and I want to receive in USD fiat currency. So this is what I am definitely going to get. So if you're you're definitely going to get the amount of USD that you would definitely receive. So this is 1000 USDT and it says the price is 1 USDT to USD, that's 1000 USDT. So you can change to, let's say, 10,000 USD and see, okay, so your available balance is not sufficient. Okay, that's fine. But if your available balance is sufficient, whatever amount you add, you definitely see the amount of USD fiat currency that you're going to get in return. Now choose a payment method here. Choose a payment method which is Mercurio. All right, so this is the payment method that you're definitely going to use. And once you're done, click on I have read and agreed to the terms of use. After that, click on submit. This is where you see how much you get at the bottom left corner. You would get so ensure that you add the amount from your available balance that is pretty much accurate. Then select submit and that's just going to be it. That's how you'll be able to get a deposit of these amounts in fiat currency. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.